What if AI could not only generate video, but understand storytelling, motion, and cinematic direction? Today, I'm diving into Ray 3 by Luma AI, a tool that's changing the game for creators everywhere. Let's start with the interface. Ray 3 welcomes you with a sleek dashboard, simple controls, real-time previews, and a rendering engine that's built for high fidelity. It even has features like motion reasoning, where it can check the videos generated for errors and make changes to them by itself. Alright, so the interface is very simple. Once you go ahead to the website by Luma AI, the link is in the description of this video. We're going to select board and then we can start a board. So here we can type anything we want it to generate for us. But at first I'm going to try out using an image to generate a video. So I'll go ahead and add an image that I created. Let's go to these settings. At first, let's try out Ray 3 reasoning. And then you see here, describe camera or action in the scene. I'll go ahead and post in the prompt that I used to generate this image. Alright, so you can see this is what it created just using that one image. Now it's not done, it's going to actually make changes. So you can see the logic behind its reasoning. This is so awesome because it by itself is making changes to make sure it comes up with something that actually makes sense. And anywhere it sees errors, it goes and then makes adjustments to them to make it better. It's already looking a lot more better than the previous ones it was creating. And the crazy part is that you just have to sit and watch it reason out the scene. Normally, this is something that would have taken you a lot of prompts, a lot of regeneration of images, and then to keep the consistency would have been very difficult to do. But here it's doing everything for you by itself. So here you can see that it's generating a clearer result. The first one was kind of blurry, but now you can actually see all the details. This is so awesome. All this was generated off one image and a prompt. So we can extend the clip. You can generate more like this or modify it. Okay, I'll go ahead and download this first. So you can upgrade it, can upscale it to HDR, can take this to 4K. And this high dynamic range allows you to do better color controls in your editor. So that's why you use this high dynamic range option. So let's go for the high dynamic range option so in our editor we can make better changes to the color. So it's done. Now it's upscaled to 4K quality. Now it's coming up with something else. I like how it just reasons all these parts out and then makes scribbles showing its thinking pattern. It looks exactly like what a motion director would do. Wow. Now that's really cool. After adjusting the clarity of the video, that's really cool. So let's go and try out another feature. This is us adding an image. Okay. So we're going to try out the annotate option where we can draw motion paths. So this is similar scene to that one. And this one we have characters inside. So to make it more dynamic. So I'll start off by drawing the lines of direction. So I want this bike to move somewhere there. And then the other one, him moving down into the scene. This guy is moving towards here. Draw lines of their direction. Him is moving here. This drone is here. Drone continues somewhere here. So I think this is enough. And then you can also just draw things like things that you want to happen. So they're here. And add text. It can be like heat distortion. Distortion. Yeah, we want sparks here. All right, so this is cool. And then done. Okay, so with those guidance that we have added to this video, we can describe our camera action for our scene. We can also make this a kind of video that can be looped. So let's try out this loop option too. Okay. And use the camera suggestions for here. So we'll use a wide angle, 3D animation. Lighting, we have some motion blur. And then let me just type in. Okay, I can see it already adding some other bikers moving in the scene. So cool. So cool. Okay, it didn't get the loop really well, but it tried. This is very nice. I like the way it looks. You can see what it does with the lighting. See how the light and reflections change on the character's body as he moves through the scene. And then as with all the videos, you can go ahead and upscale it after. We can also add audio to it. High speed bike chase. Now the good part is that we can always go to this editor and upload media. So even videos that I've already generated, like this first one, we can come here and add audio to it. Let's put Ray 3 to the test. To really see Ray 3's edge, let's compare it with other popular AI tools. Right, so we are going to try that with VO2 to see what it will come up with. Same image and same prompts. To put this to the test, we are going to put Ray 3 to the test against VO2. And then let's run this. Alright, so we can see this is what VO2 generated. So you can see the difference between hours, and this. As a creator, I'm always looking for tools that don't just automate but elevate. Ray 3 isn't just an AI video generator, it's a partner in creativity. Whether you are building tutorials, short form, or viral content, Ray 3 gives you the control and quality to stand out. If you are ready to push the boundaries of AI-powered filmmaking, Ray 3 is your launchpad. Check out my referral link below and start creating today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's build the future of storytelling together.